Grab your safari hat and your sense of adventure for an expedition like no other. Animal Expedition is your ticket to a thrilling journey that bridges the familiar world of the farmyard with the untamed magic of the wilderness. We'll travel from the cozy barn, where friendly faces greet us, to the edges of the wild, where mysterious creatures roam. This is your chance to discover the amazing connections between our farm friends and their wild cousins. Spiders are not insects. They belong to a separate class of animals called arachnids. Unlike insects, which have 6 legs, but not all spiders spin webs to catch prey. This silk is a protein liquid that hardens as it is pulled from spinnerets located at the rear of their abdomen. Snakes are reptiles and belong to the serpent suborder. Snakes live on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes have no legs, but they can move in many amazing ways, by slithering, sidewinding, or climbing. Snakes use their muscles and belly scales to move across surfaces. Scorpions are arachnids, related to spiders, ticks, and mites. Scorpions live on every continent except Antarctica. Scorpions have 8 legs, 2 pincers, and a curved tail with a venomous stinger. Golden ground beetle, Carabus auratus, a large, predatory beetle native to Europe. It has beautiful, iridescent gold-green elytra. Golden beetles are a diverse group united by their breathtaking physics-based coloration, which serves as one of the most Yellow jackets are highly social insects that live in large colonies, often containing thousands of workers. Yellow jackets are famous for their aggressive defense of their nests. They can sting repeatedly and do not leave a stinger behind, unlike a honeybee. Yellow jackets also have a strong sweet tooth. Stage beetles include some of the largest and heaviest beetles in the world. The Goliath beetle, a type of stage beetle, is one of the most massive insects on Earth. Stag beetles have been on Earth for tens of millions of years, meaning they shared the planet with dinosaurs. Hyenas are often thought of as scavengers, but they're actually skilled hunters too. In fact, spotted hyenas hunt up to 70 to 80% of their food themselves. Hyenas have one of the strongest bite forces of any mammal, strong enough to crush bones. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour when chasing prey. Leopards are found across Africa and parts of Asia, from rainforests and mountains to savannas and deserts. Leopard's pattern of rosettes, spots shaped like roses, is unique, just like a human fingerprint. Leopards live alone. White tigers aren't a separate species. They are Bengal tigers with a special color caused by a rare genetic change. White tigers can grow slightly bigger and stronger than regular Bengal tigers. White tigers use their sharp eyesight and stealth to sneak up on prey like cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Cheetahs live in Africa, mostly in open plains and savannas, and small populations exist in Iran. Grasshoppers are insects that belong to the Orthoptera order. Grasshoppers have existed for over 250 million years. Even before dinosaurs, grasshoppers have 6 legs, 2 antennae, and 2 pairs of wings. Grasshoppers have compound eyes that can see in many directions at once. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, in savannas, Horsefly doesn't pierce the skin like a mosquito. Instead, the female uses her scissor-like mouthparts to slice the skin open, creating a small, bleeding wound. Horseflies are visual hunters. They are particularly attracted to large, dark, moving objects, which is why they often target animals like horses, cattle, Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, 1,000 times stronger than humans. Leopard geckos are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. Leopard geckos have eyelids, unlike most other geckos, so they can blink and close their eyes. Leopard geckos are insectivores, meaning they eat crickets, mealworms, and roaches. Geckos hunt by stalking quietly and then pouncing on their prey. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age, and one species. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value. Alligators play a vital role in their ecosystem. Their gator holes, which they dig and maintain during dry periods. Alligators are long-lived creatures. In the wild, they can live 35 to 50 years, and in captivity, they have been known to live 65 to 80 years or more. Lionesses are the real hunters. In a pride, the females do most of the hunting, while the males protect the group. Lionesses take care of their cubs with great love, keeping them safe and teaching them to hunt. Lionesses use teamwork and strategy. Some chase prey while others wait to ambush. Green iguanas are primarily herbivores, meaning they eat mostly plants. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, flowers, fruits, and other vegetation. Green iguana's tail is a multi-purpose tool. It makes up about half of its body length and is strong enough to be used as a powerful whip for defense against predators. Green iguanas are primarily herbivores, meaning they eat mostly plants. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, flowers, fruits, and other vegetation. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles, away. Tigers have orange coats with black stripes, but some are white due to a rare gene. A tiger's body can grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long, including its tail. Tigers mark their territory with scratch marks, scent. A female tiger gives birth to 2 to 4 cubs after about 3.5 months of pregnancy. This is your chance to discover the amazing connections between our farm friends and their wild cousins, and to see firsthand the wonder of all creatures, big and small. Our expedition is packed with hands-on discoveries. We'll start by meeting our gentle farm friends, learning how to groom a fluffy sheep,